Hi, my name is Susan. I live in the U.S. I had a failure of a 2014 or so, almost 8 or 9 years old Toshiba hard drive that had a lot of photos on it and also some personal files about family financials, etc. And it failed. Unbeknownst to me, I guess these older hard drive types that have a moving disk do not last forever. I learned my lesson, and I'm very happy to report that PITS has showed me the files that they have recovered off the damaged equipment, and I've reviewed them online. And now when they receive this comment from me, they will go ahead and put them on a new drive and ship it back to me. That's the agreement. I'm very happy that they were able to recover this information because it was all personal stuff. It's not like I'm a business or a company rep. Obviously, individual companies have their own security arrangements, but for individual computer users, over time we create a lot of data. And if you lose it through no fault of your own, which is not uncommon, it's nice that there are companies that have the tools and the skills to recover it for you. Thank you very much to everybody at PITS who worked on our case. Thanks. Bye-bye.